is quite busy outbound from Flinders Street as you make ways heading towards West End, and we are seeing some build up on Hugh Street northbound approaching Ingham Road.
I'm seeing crocodiles, babe. They're in this, aren't they?
Hey, where is the bridge?
Wow, a little bit of running over here. Gosh, 350. Oh, no, that's
Yeah, it's really 350 meters ahead. It's not 350 fucking meters deep there.